My friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to have you here again. Today we are doing something very simple and super delicious. This particular recipe has had a lot of recreation. That is why I decided to make a long video for it. We are making yam pottage. As a matter of fact, it is not yam porridge, it is yam pottage. Pottage is the one you mix with pepper mix and palm oil and you enjoy it. That is pottage, not porridge. If by the time you've watched this video, maybe to the middle or at the end of it, please, I will appreciate if you give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to drop your comments and your suggestions in the comment section. I would love to see what you feel about this recipe. I am your friend, you are my friend. That is why we need to communicate. So please drop that comment in the comment section. And with too much being said, let's move right into the ingredient. Shall we? To make your yam pottage, you need yam. This is our star ingredient. We're also going to be making use of sweet potatoes to sweeten our yam. Please, my friends, don't skip this. Very important. This is the combination of fresh tomatoes and scotch bonnet, onions, salt, bouillon cubes, vegetable oil, palm oil, fresh fish. My friends, the reason why we're going to be using fresh fish for this recipe is because this yam pottage is best paired with fish sauce. So we're going to be making use of fresh fish to make our fish sauce. And of course, water. So let's go with our yam into the pot. I'm going to go in with the water because the water is clean. You've added in your yam. The next thing you want is your sweet potato. So once you are using sweet potatoes, there is no need for sugar. Once you are using something healthy, why do you want to use something that is not healthy? I will add in 1 bouillon cube. Now I'm going to add in my palm oil, some salt to taste. My friends, for the pepper mix, we're just going to be using a full spoon of it because we're going to be using the remaining for the fish sauce. This quantity I have added into my pot is just enough. My friends, now we're going to give it a very good stir to combine. These are just bouillon cubes to taste, but be careful. You do not want your salt and bouillon cubes to be too much. So I'm just going to cover this and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes, so for about 30 minutes because you want the yam to be very soft and the potatoes to be very soft. That is the beauty of this particular recipe that I am showing you. So while this is cooking, we don't want to waste time. We're going to proceed to make the fish sauce immediately. So let's make the fish sauce. My beautiful and handsome friends, for the sauce we're going to be combining palm oil and vegetable oil. Try this combo for your fish sauce and I'll be here waiting for your feedback. So both of them goes into the pot. We're going to add in some onions. We'll saute the onions. My friends, we're going to go in with our pepper mix. The combination of fresh tomatoes and scotch bonnet, bouillon cubes to taste, a little bit of salt. Now let's add in our fresh fish. My friends, let's just give this a little bit of stir so that the fish will be well coated in the sauce. This is perfect. I was not capping when I told you that this recipe is so easy. I was not capping. So just like that, we're going to cover up our sauce and allow it to fry. And before we know it, our porridge and our sauce will be ready and we're going to serve both of them and enjoy. My friends, we'll be back in about, let's just say 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, we'll check on our porridge and our sauce. If you've not subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so that you will always be the first person to get notified when I upload a new video. This smells divine. It smells divine. My friends, I'm going to be making use of my masher to mash the yam and potatoes. If you do not have this, feel free to use your turning stick. It works perfectly. If you don't have this, you can use your turning stick, but I love soft life. I love the easy route. I love it when it is simple. I love it when it does not stress me. Anything that will stress me, I beg. I don't like stress. I don't like wahala. I don't like stress and I don't like wahala. So let's just use this, and both of them works. This or turning stick, the one you use to turn your eba, any one of them work. This is what you are trying to achieve. My friends, there are levels to this ASARO thing. I'm sure by now our sauce should have been properly fried, so let's check on that. My friends, this is exactly how you want to serve your yam porridge and fish sauce. You want to serve the fish sauce by the side of the yam porridge and pair it with the yam porridge. This is super delicious. If you try out this recipe, I am pretty sure you will enjoy it. If you've not subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button, and I would love to see you next week. I would love to see you again. Thank you so much for watching, my friends. Bye.